3 billion people around the world suffer from different neurological diseases and mental illnesses. And drugs are mostly ineffective or have side effects. Though electrical stimulation of neurons is known to be a very promising modality, existing technologies are highly invasive. They require creating a hole in the skull and putting a centimeter scale probe in. That is associated with risks of infection, morbidity, and mortality. And because of the surgery-related invasiveness and $100,000 of brain surgery, those technologies are only limited to less than 1% of the patients. So people worldwide suffering from these devastating neurological conditions have impossible choices, either to go through this invasive brain surgery or live with these debilitating symptoms which drugs cannot fix. To overcome these challenges, we have built tiny electronic chips that can travel through the body fluids to autonomously implant in target brain regions and treat diseases which are even resistant to drugs. These electronics seamlessly integrate into the brain, forming unique brain-computer symbiosis and completely eliminate the need for surgery. To achieve this, we developed nanoelectronics at wafer scale and then lifted them off the substrate to create free-floating, subcellular-sized wireless electronic chips with record power conversion efficiency. Then we have attached these electronic chips with living biological cells to create unique cell electronics hybrids, which fuses the versatility of electronics with the biological prowess of living cells. These hybrids can be placed inside the body with a simple injection in the arms. And they can travel seamlessly through the body fluids without being attacked by the immune system. These hybrids enable the first demonstration of electronics which can even cross the intact blood-brain barrier and autonomously recognize a target disease region in the brain and self-implant there. These electronics provide precise electrical stimulation of the brain, enabling surgery-free brain-computer symbiosis for transcending humans beyond diseases and biological limitations. So now, it is possible to have an implant in a precise disease location in the brain with just a simple injection in the arms. While existing implants can cause massive destruction of brain tissue around it, our tiny nanoelectronic devices we have shown can co-live and coexist with the brain cells without causing any damage or toxic effects. Also, this is a very platform technology. This can be used to treat multiple brain disorders, starting from neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's to motor dysfunctions, paralysis, depression, to treating brain cancers as well as for curing blindness. Moreover, this technology is not just confined to the brain. It can be used for applications such as surgery-free and wireless pacemakers or treating cancers or other organs of the body as well. Moreover, beyond treating diseases, it can be used for even healthy individuals. Just like we have wearables for all, we can even have implantables for healthy. It can be used for applications such as cognitive enhancement, for improving decision making, or even increasing our neural density through synthetic electronic neurons. So in our lab, we already have very promising results for treatment of diseases such as Alzheimer's, for brain cancer, as well as chronic pain, and have shown that electrical stimulation can halt the growth of brain tumor where existing therapies have failed. This can increase the survival chances of patients to about 85%. This can bring new ray of hope to the patients and their families,